Today, I'm revealing the Papaya plus Glycerin Glow Hack that been making skin look softer, fresher, and more radiant, all from the comfort of your home. Here's what you need. Grated papaya soap. Help gently exfoliate dry skin for a brighter looking complexion. 1 tablespoon. Glycerin, lock in moisture para hindi dry ang skin. 1 teaspoon. A few drops of almond oil nourishes the skin and help keep it soft and smooth. Distilled water to create a silky, easy to apply a mixture, 20 ml. Mix all the ingredients together until smooth and creamy. The texture should feel lightweight and moisturizing. These DIY papaya glow treatments help brighten dull skin, smooth rough texture, deeply hydrate dry areas, help improve skin glow, leave skin soft, fresh, and radiant. Apply gently onto clean skin and massage softly. This combo helps cleanse, hydrate, and brighten the skin without that tight, dry feeling. Leave it for a few minutes, then rinse with water for fresh, radiant looking skin. Gusto mo ng soft, glowing skin without expensive products? Try this easy DIY papaya glow mix tonight. Always patch test first before trying DIY skincare treatments.